Bonjour tout le monde, moi je m'appelle Madame Akiemi, votre professeur de français. Bienvenue à ma chaîne française. Hello everyone, my name is Olubunmi Akiemi, your French teacher. You're welcome to my channel. So let's go to our mathematics theory. We have what we call an obtuse angle in mathematics, which means that the angle is more than 90 degrees. So therefore, our axon graph is like a stroke that goes beyond 90 degrees. Now, when it appears on certain letters, it has a certain effect. The letters in the French alphabet that are affected basically by this accent are E, A, U. That is the letter E, the letter A, and the letter U. Now, why did I arrange them in this pattern? Because E, A, U, as a word in French, means water. Oh, so in order for you to remember that the accent graph is used on these three letters, just remember the word eau in French, which means water. So now, the accent graph can appear on the letter E, which is E. It appears on the letter A, which is A. It appears on the letter U, which is U. On the letter E, the accent affects the sound. Instead of E, you have E. E. For example, élève. Élève. That word also has l'accent aigu on the first E. But we have the second E, which has the accent grave. So the sound is different. So can you compare the two sounds? Élève. We have the word grève. Rêve. Grève means strike. Now let's treat members of the family that have that accent. We have mère, which means mother, père, which means father, and frère, which means brother. Have you noticed the sound of the E? Now, we have l'accent grave on the letter A. What does this do? The sound doesn't change, but it is meant to differentiate between the preposition a and the verb a. The preposition a has l'accent grave, and the verb a has no accent. So therefore, the sound remains the same, but the differentiation is made clear. Now, we have the l'accent grave on the letter U. Well, what does that do? It doesn't change the sound, but it also makes us differentiate between the conjunction ou, which means or, and the adverb où, which means where. So which one will contain the l'accent grave? That's my question for today. Où, where, où, or. Let me answer it for you. Où, where. So où, where will contain l'accent